Usage of shall. Shall is a modal verb used between the subject and the main verb. Shall is mostly used with I and we. Shall is used for offers, suggestions, asking what to do, and negative form. Let's see each one in detail. Usage of shall for offers. Shall is used to make an offer or to help someone. For offers, shall is mostly used in question form. For example, shall I open the window for you? Shall I help you carry the luggage? In both sentences, we are offering help to someone, so we use shall. Usage of shall for suggestions. Shall is used to make a suggestion to someone. For suggestions, shall is also used in question form. For example, shall we join the class to prepare for the exam? Shall I tell the top 10 courses? In both sentences, we are giving a suggestion or idea, so we use shall. Usage of shall for asking what to do. Shall is used when we ask someone what we should do next or what they want us to do. Here we are asking for instruction or guidance. Here also shall is used in question form. For example, shall I write the answer? Shall we start the match? In both sentences, we are asking what to do next, so we use shall. Usage of shall in negative form. Shall is used in the negative form by adding not, shall not, or shan't. It is mostly used with I and we, used to show that something will not happen in the future. It is mostly used in formal English. For example, I shan't go to the party. We shall not give up. In both sentences, we are saying that something will not happen, so we use shall not. Here is a table showing the four uses of shall that I explained earlier along with example sentences. You can use it for future reference. Thank you.